In this example, we're going to use Pythagoras in 3 dimensions to find the distance between 2 points. Now what we're really doing here is just finding a vector, starting at one point and finishing at the other. So we're going between these 2 points here. If we wrote the journey from one vector to the other as a vector, then the journey in the x direction will be x2 take x1. The journey in the y direction, y2 take y1, and the journey in the z direction, z2 take z1. I'm going to write that as a column vector. So that's writing it as a vector. And then for that reason, you can see why this is what the formula becomes for the distance between those 2 points. It's just simply the length of this vector. So in this example, we've got these 2 points here. We're going to find the distance between them. So I'm going to start by finding a vector between them. So looking at the x values, or the I components if you like. So we've got 1 minus minus 3, which is 4. And the second part, the y coordinates, or the j components, 7 take away 4, which is 3. And the one at the end, minus 2.5 take away 5, so minus 7.5. So the distance between those 2 points will be the length of that vector, the square root of 4 squared plus plus 3 squared plus the square of negative 7.5, which is 56.25. And when you add those together and put it inside a square root, you get 5 root 13 all over 2. In pure maths, it's best to leave answers exact where we can, so I'm leaving that as a third, not turn it into a rounded decimal.